America. I'm Nikita.
And I'm Troy, and this is Merca's Garage. Merca. So today we got to work on this BMW. It's a busy day. We've got the BMW to work on. Like the rest of you, life is going on, and we've got some things that have to be done. Parts are waiting for the muscle car in the garage. So those will come in the next couple weeks, and you brought something to work on too.
We're gonna change a spark plug in my old pickup.
Yeah, so we got to get all this little maintenance done. You know, this family life. We got an O2 sensor on the back, and one of the products that we used is the OBD2 that we got on Amazon, I think, a while back. And then we used the product that you can also buy on Amazon, which is Torque Pro. And it told us that we have a O2 sensor, Bank 1 sensor 2, and a number 2 misfire. So we got a new coil for it, and we're going to be replacing those.
We've already replaced the number 2 sensor that has gone bad. So now today we're just going to replace the O2 sensor in the first
position right
first
there.
Position. So
yeah, so you just pop them clips off.
Yeah. Oop. Stubborn son of a monkey. I don't have a nail. The bottom one. Yeah. You get it? Don't break it.
Wow, how did I do that a minute ago?
I don't know. Got it. Alright, so this is a clip that everybody fights with. You gotta be careful not to break it, otherwise you gotta buy another one.
You don't have to, but I mean, you can. Go ahead and pull that out.
It just pops out?
Yeah, it just pops out. It pulls straight out, and it is kind of
There we go.
All right, so on these O2 sensors on the engine of the BMW, they're both the same plug. So Nikita's gonna use a very basic tool because I don't have one of those sockets. It comes next week with the other new O2 that we're gonna replace in the front. But she's gonna undo this one and show you pretty much how easy it is.
Maybe.
Maybe. There you go.
Yeah, now we're getting somewhere.
Yeah. This O2 sensor is pretty easy to get to. It's just a struggle if your wrench is a little too long.
All right, tips off. There we go.
Okay, show it to the camera.
There
Ladies.
it is.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Okay, so we're gonna have a new one coming anyway, and now we got to replace the number 2 coil. Go ahead and you got to unbolt it.
Got a little bowl or something?
No, just put it right here. Don't drop it in the engine.
It's on my hands here. There we go. 1. And 2.
Awesome. All right. Pulled the clip up. Did you undo the harness?
Nope.
Okay, so you just pull that up and pull that. Yep.
There
Just
we
like
go.
that. All right. You want to show them the clip?
Easy.
All right.
Okay. This one's got to go in.
All right, so we're gonna take this little guy and we're gonna put it in. And we're gonna go ahead and fire the car up, see if we get them codes. Everything's clear. Okay. We're gonna have that service engine light on. And we're gonna take the Torque Pro that we actually purchased. It's a purchased product. We're gonna activate it. Okay, so we just cleared the fault codes. The engine light went right off. I still have a stumble when I accelerate on it, but the gas in this car is pretty old and I only put 5 gallons in it. It will not pull up any fault codes right now. So what we're gonna do is, since we replaced the parts on it, we're gonna go ahead and do an oil change. We're gonna do Hot Shot Secret in it. We're gonna put the FS3 or FR3 into the power steering. We're going to put the full synthetic oil with FR3 in it. We'll probably not have to worry about transmission fluid. It's a 5-speed, but we are going to go with the correct gear oil for our 5-speed BMW. Yeah, I thought that was a Yellow Jacket, my favorite. So we'll go with gear oil in this, and we'll service a couple other parts in this car. And basically, this $500 BMW is ready for the kids. So it's gonna suck for them to learn how. Well, yeah, it's gonna suck for them to learn how to drive this, and then nobody else can drive it. So this car's done. We're gonna move over to the Ford and get the Ford ready to go. So what Nikita's working on is, well, what year is your truck?
It's a 2002.
Ford.
Yes.
F-150 with what engine?
It's a 4.2 liter V6.
And then how come you're under the wheel well there?
We are changing a spark plug that keeps fouling up, and it's in the last bank on the right side. So
It's in the right bank in the number 6.
6?
Yeah, number 6.
Number 6.
On this one.
Yes.
I don't know your truck is more as well as you do.
Well, it keeps fouling up, and we change this particular one quite often for different reasons. There she is. That's pretty nasty.
No, it doesn't. I mean, it's not black, but it smells like old fuel. So this truck, what we're gonna do is, let's put the spark plug in it like you normally do, and we'll gap it to what?
52.
52. And that's, where is it on this truck? It's on the cow?
It should be.
Yeah, I think
Right.
it's right on the cow.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna order her some Hot Shot Secret fuel additive to try out. If you guys want to try any of the Hot Shot Secret, click on the link below. You can go to mercagarage.com and click at the link at the top of that page, and you'll get 10% off. Or we'll put on an Amazon link below. And you want to model your shirt? Show everybody your shirt. Tribologist. That's some sort of oil stuff. But Nikita's modeling the Hot Shot Secret classic look, and I'm the barn for the Hot Shot Secret race motorsports shirt, the lime green. But anyway, so here's this one. Let me go ahead and get some. Here it is, right here. You always want to put something on the threads. While she's doing that, we're gonna get set up to run codes, because your truck has some codes, right?
Yes, it does.
What's it running?
It.
You know?
I know that there's a misfire on
Which
it.
might be that plug.
Right. It has been in the past, but
Is the code still on now?
yes, as of this morning it was.
Okay. Well, while she's doing that, I'm going to get this set up. Again, the OBD2. I'll put a link for this in Amazon as well, so you guys can check it out. And I think Amazon is where I buy the program too for the engine diagnostics. That's Torque Pro, in case you want to know. It's Torque Pro. We'll be right back. All right, so we got the BMW O2 sensor done. We got the new coil pack in. Worked on yours, and what did we find out?
We found 4 more codes that we need to work with. A bad fuse, maintenance. We got to do some maintenance on the old girl.
It's a beater truck.
Yeah.
I mean, you've had it for how many years now? 12?
Yeah.
With a new motor or replacement motor?
With a replacement motor, rebuilt transmission,
Yeah.
All the fun little stuff that goes along with that.
So this little thing's a hero. Again, we'll put the link below. And so what are we gonna do next?
We get to go get our surprise now. Now it's time for the fun.
Right. So we're gonna take 2 vehicles. We gotta go see a gentleman. Remember, if you're trying to do something nice for somebody, don't expect something in return. We didn't do that yesterday, and the outcome was a surprise. And so we're gonna feature that here in a few minutes. Well, it'd be a few minutes to you, a few seconds to you, but a few minutes for us. But yeah, there was no expectation what we got. You're in on it.
I'm so in on it.
But
so excited.
It's gonna be pretty cool. It might be an epic failure, but
I doubt it.
what's it gonna include? A little bit of rust.
A little bit.
And it's like Haggerty's what? Barn find?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's gonna be exciting. We'll
gonna
see
be
you in a
awesome.
minute. All right, so we're on our way to see Mr. Randall, and we're going to go check out our surprise. So, I have no idea where it's at, but it's in here somewhere. This is the shed. So it's hidden here somewhere. And there's Buzzy stuff. What else? Oh, there's the fenders. There's the doors. See them? That's the fenders and the doors. Let's go back around here. There it is. Now, he did say it was rough. Okay, I don't want to find a bug. So let's look at it. It is rough, but we got plenty to work with. I don't know if we're gonna get it out of here today though. Yeah. Hey, the windshield is kind of rusted.
Yeah, but
The glass is fine.
yeah, the glass is in good condition.
Huh? Oh, well, it's all flat glass, so it's easy to replace. Yeah, and we'll probably cut the top anyway. Dashing? Dashing? You know what? Clean up. And again, I've got the floor pan that'll fit right on it. It's just metal. Anything with the torch works.
Cool to do a flatbed on the back instead of a full.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. And then keep the patina on the rust. So I think we can get the fenders. I don't think we're going to be able to get this cab today. Not without. Well, I know how to get back there, so we'll see.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, it's open. We'll see.